What happens behind the scenes when communication traffic starts to scale? FreeSWITCH is an open-source framework for building real-time voice, video, routing, conferencing, and programmable communications. Its modular core connects signaling and media with dial plans, modules, events, APIs, and the business applications around them. At the application layer, FreeSWITCH connects custom apps, CRM, IVR, and contact centers through one real-time communication flow. Both platforms are modular and capable, but they began with different architectural priorities. At higher traffic, scaling means coordinating signaling, media, applications, observability, and failover, rather than simply adding more servers. Scaling also requires coordinated media handling, applications, shared state, and storage beyond the FreeSWITCH server pool. Capanicus designs and customizes FreeSWITCH solutions around your workflows, integrations, reliability targets, and growth plans. Have a telecom project? Let's build it.